You will eliminate all your struggle with money if you just change this one thing. I was having a discussion with my intern and we were discussing the projected revenue with one revenue stream, one income stream. And she was like, क्या इतना पैसा होता है दुनिया में? Like, is this much money actually there in the world? And I knew that before we go ahead, we got to work on this because if she still stays with the same money block, then that's somewhere gonna leak into the business as well, into her job as well, into the role that she's doing as well. And I asked her, notice the wealth instead of noticing the lack, which is, I gave her an example that while I was raising sponsorship for my company, we had 1 to 2 crores of the cap limit to the sponsorship that we could raise from multiple sponsors. We raised 25% of that, and I was like, and that 25%, the amount that I told her, is more than the amount that I was telling her, right, for our projected revenue income stream. And that opened her mind beyond the projected income stream. So how did this happen? By just observing that there is a lot money available, not in fiction, not in daydreaming, but right now all around you. And I gave her another tool, which is I would study the balance sheets of the companies that I would approach. I would look at their marketing expense. And I used to wonder that if this company is spending 20 crores, 30 crores on marketing, what my proposal is, it's super valuable, but at the same time, it's a tiny fraction of their marketing budget. And that would give me so much relaxation and confidence that, oh, this is so normal. So do whatever it takes to feel that abundance of money is normal, and the easiest way to do that is observe money all around you. So whenever you're not working, instead of picking up your phone, actually just be super observant of things around you, people around you, and you will start picking up on cues in the difference in the energy of people, and especially notice people who exude that wealthy energy. And it's demonstrated by small things, like while I was coming to my departure gate, I'm going to Bangkok. I saw this lady wearing this really beautiful, not even beautiful, very plain black top and black pants. But the energy coming from her clothes was just so, like, I matter, I'm worthy, I'm wealthy. And it's not even something fancy, it was very basic, but the quality seemed so good. And I was like, that was my cue to change my general, flight attire. Like, I usually wear the same black top and same black pants, and they only come out when I'm I'm taking a flight. And the point being, there is loads of wealth around you, and there's loads of scarcity around you. The question is, what are you observing? And know one thing, that whatever you're observing around you is what you are becoming. It's almost like it's maybe not half, the cup is half full or half empty, but I would say focus on the fullness part, because the more you focus on how much wealth is all around you, you will be literally sinking your mindset to that. What does that look like? You will get even more positive ideas for your income, which today might not even be there. Today it might feel like, I mean, I don't think I have enough talent to earn that money. I need a lot of training, I need a lot of experience, maybe I need a lot more confidence. Only then I can be like people who are wealthy. All of this is coming because unknowingly you were focusing on the lack of money, not on the abundance of money. So we have spoken about focus on abundance of money around you. Now shift that focus to money inside you. And you'll be like, what do you mean by that? I don't have enough money in my bank account, or I had but I spent, or whatever that is. Money is an energy, and if you really look at this statement at its core, everything is energy. Does that mean that if you have a really good habit, let's say, is that money? Yeah, because that habit is energy, money is energy. If you're really good at something and you're like, but I don't monetize it, I don't even know how to monetize it, so it's irrelevant. How is that connected to money? It is, because the thing that you're really good at is energy, and so is money. So it's all one. There is no separation. Everything is one until you separate it out and you put it in segments. You add struggle in your equation. If that's working for you and if you like it, great. If you're like, I'm done with struggle, now I want a lot of fun, I want to create impact in the world by being myself, have a luxurious, easy, fun, driven life, then see yourself as money. From head to toe, you are money. All your amazing habits, all your amazing skills, something that you did when you were 10 years old and you were really good at it, it still is in your system, it's still in your energy field, and that is money. And third thing to really activate the I am money state is see everything that you're receiving as money, because everything is energy, and if money is energy as well, then what you're receiving is money. For example, if somebody comes to you and says that I really like your hair, and if your first instance is no 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 no, it's okay, like my hair are so bad today, no, pause, pause, you're breaking a pattern. Pause and breathe and say thank you. In your mind, say thank you money, I am money, I'm receiving money. When you're receiving that compliment, somebody comes and says that I really like how you think, the clarity of your mind, I really like your car, really like your girlfriend even, or boyfriend or husband or father or mother. Thank you, I am money, I'm receiving money. And you're literally training your mind. In fact, I would say you're literally reminding yourself who you have always been, this money self. If you look at a child, if you observe how a child perceives the world, receives, gives, and also experiences life, that is pure money. Because in the child's imagination, there is no limitation, there's only abundance, there is magic all around. You were exactly that, you are still that. It's just that there's a lot of conditioning that was just put on top of it, and that's fine because you're now reconnecting with who you truly are, the abundant, really abundant being that is the core of you. So you are money. Practice this and let me know in the comments what was the last compliment you received from somebody. Write that and then write down, I am money, I'm receiving money. I'm Yuvika, your mindset shifting coach. I'm gonna see you in the next video, probably in Bangkok if I feel like making a video there.